How to share live location on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to share live location on Messenger. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Messenger app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, simply open any chat where you want to send the live location to. And now here, once you have opened the chat, then what you can do is simply tap on the plus icon shown in the bottom left side of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on location option. And now here on the pop-up menu, just tap on allow. And after that, once you're done with it, then what you can do is simply tap on the blue button that says start sharing live location for 60 minutes. And now here, once you're done with that, it will share your live location to that particular person. And that's it. That's how you can share live location on Messenger. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.